Morning student, I am Vijay sir. Today I am going to teach you social science of standard 5. Here we will learn about lesson number 12, that is healthy living. Okay. So here we will discuss some topics about the instruments and machines. Understand? And also we will discuss about the stethoscope and microscope and modern treatment. Understand? So as we know that today the living of people is different. From the old days. So their lifestyle and food habits are different. Here we are in this age means our life has been changed, from the earlier conditions. So now the people of this age they have become more conscious about their health and they take regular exercise. Okay, and they also take advantages of modern types of machines and modern machines, and so many things have been discovered, and that's why in this age we are just every day we are doing exercise and we are more conscious in our health. Understand? So now here we will discuss about the instruments and machines. At first here we will discuss about the instruments and machines, and here we will talk about the clinical thermometer. Understand? So dear students, as we know that the normal temperature of a body is 37 degrees centigrade. 37 degrees centigrade, and our that is 98 degree, that is Fahrenheit. Okay. So when body temperature increases above the normal temperature, this is the normal temperature. This is the normal temperature of our body. Okay, if the normal temperature of human body, that is when body temperature increases, so above the normal temperature, that the body is said to be fever. That is known as the fever. Understand? So dear students, in the ancient time we used to gauge the temperature either by touching the body or feeling the pulse. Okay, so we were touching in the ancient time. So now we have the clinical thermometer. We are using this thermometer, and this means we can say that we have different types of machines to test the body or to test the person. Understand? So there is a scale printed on it to show the temperature of our body accurately. The scale is between 95 degree to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Means there is a scale. Okay, the scale is printed, and that is between 95 degree Fahrenheit to that is 110 degree Fahrenheit. 110 degree Fahrenheit. Understand? Okay. So we can say that. So these types of clinical thermometers are used in laboratory also, and it is used for the human body to check the human body. Understand? So now in the next topic here we will discuss about the stethoscope. Okay? Stethoscope means that is this instrument is used to find out the functioning of the heart or lungs. It was developed by Dr. René Laennec. It was developed by Dr. René Laennec. Okay. Okay. So, dear student, I was saying that this stethoscope was developed by the Dr. René Laennec. Once he noticed that two children were sitting. It was just developed accidentally. Okay. So once he noticed that two children were sitting at the ends of a hollow log of a wood. One was sitting through it and the other was listening. So René could not understand their game. Okay. So he inquired from them. The children told him that even the whispering can be easily heard through his hollow log. So he thought about it and he rolled a paper to make a hollow tube and placed it on the chest of a patient. And after that he was able to hear the heartbeats and sound nicely. So after that this stethoscope was discovered. So it was discovered by Dr. René Laennec. Understand? So it was also accidental. So this instrument is also used for the human beings. Understand? This instrument is also used for the human beings for the functioning of lungs and hearts. Okay, so now after that we will discuss about the microscope. One of the most important, that is instrument. Okay, the invention of microscope, it was of the microscope has an interesting story behind it. So about 400 years ago, 400 years ago, what happened? Just I'm telling you that the owner of a spectacle shop happened just to keep two lenses, one behind the other. It was an incident. He looked through these lenses. He saw a flying giant. Okay, then in giant size. So the idea helped him to prepare a toy called flagless that is became popular in Europe. So through these types of things or through in this process microscope was invented. After that Galileo, an Italian scientist, Galileo was learned about it. Means he also saw that toy, and after that he just got a lot of idea and he prepared about it, and then after that he discovered microscope. Understand? Okay. So that is microscope was discovered through this. Okay, so then after that just we can say that, and after that microscopes are nowadays microscopes are used widely. Understand? So I was saying about that. So after that Galileo, he was Italian scientist, he discovered microscope, and these microscopes are widely used in this stage. Okay, so nowadays microscopes are widely used by the doctors for examining urine, stool, bloods. Okay, and the result of examinations help them to treat the patients in a proper way. Okay, and after that X-ray machine also was discovered, ultrasound machine also discovered, and CT scanners, and this became very popular. Okay, so this is our part 1 video, okay, healthy living, and again I will meet you in the next video, part 2. So till then, thank you, have a nice day.